space to open our leaves, we will.
We are nature, flowers still able to grow on barren land. Our voices cause the sky to weep and force sudden angry light out. We hear echoes of ancestors bellow into this land, soothing our Scotch bonnet seeds. We grow fiery, with thorns and vines and weeds. Wherever we find space to open our leaves, we will. We weave seeds in corners like grains of rice braided into skulls. They've now learned to grow more quietly. Even plants from us learn to favour sunflowers. The world says our leaves are too wild, but watch our fruit ripen. Flowers blossom wide and free, shrubbery untamed like our roots which cry out with oxygen we all need to breathe.